Yeah. So in this Force.com, the cloud platform given by Salesforce, we have two application development approaches. So one is declarative app development. Okay. Programmatic development, app development. So in declarative app development, you have seen object creation, field creation, record type creation, page layout creation. Okay, and then process builders, flow builders, and macros. Okay, all these things. So these are the different concepts. This comes under the model part of the application. This comes under the view part of the application, and this comes under the controller part of the application. Same way here also in programmatic app development. So we have the APIs. So for the model part, and then for view part, we have the Visual Force, Aura framework, and then LWC. These are for view part of the application. And then controller part of the application, we have Apex logic. Apex related methods, triggers. Okay. And then JavaScript. So client side controller, server side controller. Server side controller is Apex coding. Client side controller is JavaScript. Client side controller we will use in the development of LWC and Aura components, and also in Visual Force pages. So the UI framework, getting changed. Now the latest user interface, that is LWC, though it is the future of Salesforce. So we still need the classic pages because these are the standard pages. Visual Force is the standard pages, and then Aura framework. Aura framework is just before the LWC. So all the development, existing development there in the Aura framework, and now migrating to from Aura component, Aura framework to LWC, Lightning Web Components. That is what happening in the real time. Okay, so LWC is the future of the business. So the present business components are developed in Aura framework. Previously, Visual Force. Okay, still Visual Force used for the classic pages development. So Salesforce has two different views. So one is classic mode. Okay. Other one is Lightning Experience UI. So both classic UI. These two are the Lightning Experience UI. So that's why. So we need to know all these things. Okay. In programmatic approach, so using the Apex, so we can integrate other systems. So using the Salesforce APIs. Okay, that is integrations. Another concept called integrations. So in which using the server side, okay, code, and Salesforce APIs, we are integrating other databases, other applications, popular applications in the real world. So we'll integrate with our Salesforce data and we'll make use of those applications. So that is integration programmatically. So these are the main things. So about the force.com platform. So we'll start with the Apex. Okay. Server-side programming language. It's basics. So all the basics, starting from variables, loops, okay, and handling the errors, everything we'll see. Then after we'll see the UI part. We'll see the Visual Force and then Aura framework, how the Aura components appear, how to integrate, your Salesforce data. So within the Aura components, all those things. Yeah.
Okay, okay, Srinivas.
Yeah. Any questions so far, Prashant or Karnaka? Any questions?
Uh,
Let me
no,
know, Prashant, so that
no, as of now, no, Srinivas, because I already seen all these. Like I worked as a PM, so I know uh, this all things. In deep, I don't know. So once we start the classes, then I can.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever you know, just let me know. So keeping that in mind, I will explain in the deeper level. Okay.
Okay, okay, Srinivas.
Yeah. Okay. So Salesforce Developer Console. So this is the tool. So where you can write your program in Apex. Okay. So this is the uh, integrated within the Salesforce application. So if you log into Salesforce, so I already log into my Salesforce environment, and then I'm accessing the developer console from here, setup. Okay. So you can copy this URL and open it in your browser. So same, I'm opening in a browser. So here you can write your programs, new Apex class, trigger, Visual Force page, and lightning components, events, tokens, interfaces, all those things. LWC, you have to use Visual Studio Code. Okay. So Visual Studio Code you need to use. So from here you have to develop your LWC Lightning Web Components and then you have to deploy to your org. Let us see how to connect with your Salesforce org from VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So create a new project. So for that, Control Shift P, command palette will open here, standard project template, and then give the name. So this is my project name. Okay. In my documents folder, I'm creating my project. So project is created with manifest file, package.xml file. Okay. Then after So the arg is not yet connected. If arg is connected, then it will display here. No default arg is set as of now. Now I am connecting with my arg to this project. Again, Control Shift P, authorize an arg. Okay. Production, arg name. Okay, this is the name I'm giving. Then it opens in a browser. I need to authorize my arg. So login successful. Just close this. Check in the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Your arg name appears. So I already authorized this with many projects. Okay. This is the first name I used. VS Code arg. So that's why BCC arg name is just added as a anonymous the alias name for this. Okay. This is the main name and BCC arg is the alias name for that. Now, getting the data into this arg from my, see as of now, Apex classes, Aura components, LWC, nothing. Now I am getting the data into folder. Okay, for that, go to package.xml, right click, retrieve source in manifest from arg. Okay, you can see Aura components, Apex classes. These are the Apex classes in that arg. Okay, LWC. These are the LWC components we have. Clear? Getting? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Voice is too low, Prashant.
Yes, Srinivas.
Okay. Now let us see. So creating a sample LWC component and deploy that to display that on the Salesforce arc. Okay. So go to LWC folder in the file explorer, right click, create lightning web component. Give the name. Okay. Sample LWC. So this is the sample LWC component that created, and by default, so LWC will have the three files: HTML file, JavaScript file, and meta.xml file. This is the meta.xml file. Okay. So in the meta.xml, so we are specifying the target for this LWC component where you are exposing this LWC. So whether this is hidden or enabled to view on the UI. Okay, that information you will specify in the meta.xml file. JavaScript. So this is the main file. So where logic written. Okay. So we'll import the lightning element, and so if it uses your Apex classes and Apex methods, then it will use other libraries. Okay. So in the import, then after the logic is written in between these two open and close braces. Okay. Then after, so this is the view part, UI developed here between the template tags. Okay. So this is the starting and ending of uh, the component file, view part, controller part, and component visibility. View part, controller part, component visibility. So that's why these three. Hi, this is LWC. Okay. So whenever my component is displayed, so I would like to see this on the component. Okay. JavaScript, I'm not doing anything as of now. So here, component visibility, I'm enabling as true, and target I'm setting. There are two tags. One is targets. Within the targets, we have target, app page, home page, record page. Okay. So I'm taking record page. I'm taking record page. So component is ready now to get deployed. To deploy, right click on the component folder, deploy this to org. Okay, deployment successful. As part of deployment, what happened? See, deployed source. The deployed action created what? As part of sample LWC folder. Okay, one HTML file, one JavaScript file, one JavaScript meta.xml file. So these are created in the source arg. This is the source arg. To open the arg, click this, open arg. This is the arg where the changes deployed. In the lightning component, in the lightning components, you can check sample LWC. See here, sample LWC. This is the component that created now. So you cannot access it directly from here by click on this, because this is of LWC type, not Aura type. So to see the preview, what you have to do, you have to use Lightning application. Sample LWC previewer. Okay. Sample LWC previewer. Extends equal to force colon SLDS. Then after C colon sample LWC. So this is the name of the component. Sample LWC. To see the preview, click preview. Okay. Hi, this is my first LWC. Clear? Getting?
Yes, Srinivas.
Now let us see placing this on a page, record page. This is our record, right? Suppose account record. Okay, this is my account record. To place this on a record page, go to that record edit mode. It opens in a builder, lightning record. Okay, this is the record edit mode. Here, look for that component, sample LWC. Sample LWC. I'm placing this on that location. Now go back to the record. Okay, this is the preview of that LWC. Clear?
Yes, Srinivas.
Okay. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, tomorrow onwards we'll see Apex. So this is just as a demo I have shown how you can create LWC and place it. Okay. And so in the process, we'll first learn the server side controller code, Apex. Okay. So
Okay.
we should know Apex variables, loops, um, triggers, before triggers, after triggers, trigger context variables, and how data can be fetched from Apex to display on the component type of components, this type of components. Suppose I want to retrieve the data where certain conditions matched. Annual revenue above 5 lakhs. Annual revenue above 5 lakhs data to be displayed here in a table format. Okay. For that, we should know first server side coding. Then after we'll see UI development. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Tomorrow onwards, we'll see from the basics. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Srinivas.
Okay. So with this, let us conclude for today. I'll let you know the updated timing, session timing. If this
Okay.
time, yeah, because I'm occupied with another batch at 6:30. I have to adjust the timing. I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Srinivas.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.